Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious zebra cake. It's a fun and beautiful cake with a stripe pattern just like a zebra. Step number 1. Beat 3 eggs with 1½ cups of sugar and ½ teaspoons of vanilla using a hand whisk or an electric mixer. Keep whisking until the mixture becomes creamy and thick. Tip number 1. Try to whisk in only one direction. Step number 2. Add 1 cup of oil and mix well until the mixture becomes smooth and fully combined. Step number 3. Add 1 cup of milk to the cake batter and mix thoroughly until smooth and well combined. Step number 4. You will need 2½ cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Sieve the flour twice, then add the baking powder and sieve again. Then gradually add the flour to the cake batter in small portions and folding it. Tip number 2. Do not overmix. The cake will lose its fluffiness. Tip number 3. Mix just enough to truly combine the ingredients. Step number 5. Divide the cake batter into 2 portions. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to one portion and add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the other portions. Make sure to sieve the flour and cocoa powder 3 times before adding them to the batter. Adding 2 tablespoons of flour to the plain batter ensures the batters have the same consistency so the layers pour evenly. Step number 6. Line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper. First, pour some of the plain batter into the center of the pan. Then add some of the cocoa batter in the center of the plain batter. Repeat this layering process as shown in the video until all the batter is used. Step number 7. Use a wooden skewer or a similar tool to create a pattern on the surface of the cake, making sure the skewer does not go all the way through the batter, as shown in the video. Step number 8. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Then place the pan on the middle rack. Bake the cake for 40 minutes. Tip number 4. Do not open the oven door before 30 minutes. Tip number 5. After 40 minutes, shake the cake with a fork. If no batter sticks to it, then your cake is ready. When your cake is ready, remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool completely. Then take it out of the pan and slice as desired. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this zebra cake recipe and try it at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.